To add notes to the rental agreement, open the document from the rental agreement list. By default, you should see the RA Info tab. Click on the Notes tab. Type in the additional information you want to record. Click the blue checkmark icon to save the additional notes you typed in. Click on the History tab. This feature allows you to review the modifications made to the rental agreement. To edit a confirmed rental agreement, click on the pen icon to update the rental agreement as shown in the video. Please note, however, that only certain fields remain editable, which are the rental agreement information, collection or delivery information and the billing information sections. To edit the credit card information, click on the Update Credit Card button, which is also a pen icon as shown in the video. You will be required to enter your user password to modify the credit card information from the rental agreement. To sign a rental agreement, scroll down to the Signature section at the bottom part of the rental agreement. Click on the Hirer's Signature box button or the appropriate button due for signing. Then a dialog box will appear. Sign digitally and click OK to save. Once signed, the button will be locked. If you want to redo the signature, a password will be required for added security. Click on the Print Agreement button to preview the edited rental agreement. The signature is reflected here. You may scan this QR code to preview this rental agreement on other electronic devices.